Hello, John Bona. In the middle of any and all fears, God says, "You are mine." So where do we find our security? It's an important question in this time of insecurity. It's worth remembering that the Bible says in the last days, men's hearts will fail them for fear. A study was done of a typical American town in the 20s. The study concluded that the population had no anxiety or worry. They restudied this typical American town years later, and they found that something has happened in the 21st century. Indeed, men's hearts have been filled with fear. But with Christianity, we have a new trust in God, casting all your cares upon Him, for He cares for you. Sufficient of the day is the evil thereof. Be careful for nothing, the good book tells us. But then came that period and the whole concept of man being independent of God with wealth and power. All it did was usher in the dog-eat-dog world, and men's hearts were filled with fear more than ever before. So there is an answer to this fear that man has. It's found in dependence in God, faith in God. I have called you by name. You are mine. God bless you.
Thank you.